Hello everybody, welcome to Skyrise English Academy. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the difference between the English V sound and the regionally influenced V sound.
Hello people, my name is Dhara Shah. Let me first demonstrate the regionally influenced V sound. Veronica lives in a village. Violet is my favorite color.
Hi, now let me demonstrate the English V sound. Veronica lives in a village. Violet is my favorite color. In order to correct your V sound, you'll have to work on the three major areas. And these are place of articulation, manner of articulation, and voicing. We are going to help you achieve the correct English V sound by working on these three major categories.
Thank you very much for watching the video.